How to read your first bank statement, checking or saving. A bank statement is a monthly summary showing money that went in, money that went out, and your current balance. Statement period. This tells you the dates the statement covers. If it says period Jan 1, Jan 31, 2025, everything listed on the statement happened between those dates. Beginning balance. This is how much money was in your account at the start of the statement period. Ending balance. This is how much money you have in your account at the end of the period. Deposits or credits. These are the amount that increase your balance. Withdrawals or debits. These are the amount that reduce your balance. Transaction details. Each transaction usually includes date, description, amount, and type. Account number and bank information. Your statement will also show last few digits of your account number, bank's customer support number, and a statement delivery preferences. Fee section. This part lists all your bank fee, for example, monthly service fee, ATM fee, or overdraft fees. That's all for today. Thank you.